Everybody, it's your boy June, back at it and getting to a TV. You know what I'm saying? I hope everybody's having a good day today. I am. It's a good Saturday morning. Before we get into the video, do me a favor. If you're new to the channel, just go to the channel page and hit that subscribe for me and hit that notification bell so you can become a part of the Go Getters gang. Today, I got a really good video for y'all. We're gonna do the review on a Nike SB Jordan 1 collab, and I got the bone joints. This should be good, so let's get into it, y'all. I went to Street Game today. It's a local sneaker store up here in Albany, New York. Licensed retail of authentic products. Licensed retailer. Know what I mean? Got my Jordan 1 box. These joints was $175. They came up to $189 with tax. You know what I'm saying? Watch out, Foxy. Let me give y'all a look at this box. Can y'all see that? Here it is. Regular Jordan box. You know what I'm saying? I'm unboxing with y'all. Ooh, nice paper. Nice paper. Oh yeah, I like these. I like these guys already. I usually don't like the all white sole. Ooh. Let's check these out. Can y'all see these? Can y'all see them? Nice. 3 pair of laces. What is it? Bone gray, light bone, black with crimson tint. So these joints is hard, I'm not gonna lie. These joints are very hard. I'm feeling this leather. The leather is good though. I like the leather. Take a look at the inside, yeah. Bright pink inside. Can you see? Can you see? There you go. Checking it out. Nice clean bottom. All white. You know what I'm saying? Now, these joints, if you know me, you really know I don't like the all white soles on the sneakers like this, but these are cool. It's a good look. Nike SB on the tongue. Nice little material. They smell so good though. Word. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the acetone with the pink. I don't know if I'm gonna let them rub off or should I do a design. Put in the comments what you think I should do with these. The laces are crazy. I usually go with the same color lace as a tongue, but you never know with these. These are a nice pop-out shoe. I definitely must say, I've seen pictures on Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram too, Getting to It TV. I've seen pictures. These are the New York City, the Paris joints. I'm really feeling them. We'll see if we can get the LA to Chicago's. I feel like I hit big though. I don't see too many people copying these joints. Seeing a few YouTubers, shoe-tubers with them early. I feel very lucky to have got them on release date from the store. I went right to my local sneaker store. They had one size left, my size, 12. That's one good thing about having that 12. A lot of people go after those 9s, 10s, 11s. Yeah, so I think it's a really dope shoe though. I like it. Even with the white bottom, I could definitely flavor these. Tell me what y'all feel I should wear these with. Shorts, cargos, pants. These are hot though. The leather is really good. Let me give y'all one more up close look. Can you see these? See the back, nice and crispy, clean. Jordan 1 is definitely the best Jordan silhouette ever, in my opinion. See that Nike SB up there? And a nice bright pink inside. These are clean, y'all. These are clean. Thumbnail maybe. But yeah, that was it. A quick review. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep getting kicks. I'm gonna keep getting Jordan 1s. Y'all know what it is. I'm a Jordan 1 addict, a Jordan 1 fiend. So I always cop Jordan 1s. And I won't stop. But on that note, listen everybody, I hope everybody's keeping it positive. You know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do. Take care of your kids, take care of your family. Don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe, like the channel, leave a comment, hit that notification bell so we all can get to it, to our getting to it family, go-getters. Peace.